The internet isn't just in the cloud. Some of it is underwater. Not metaphorically, physically. Sealed containers filled with servers, sitting on the ocean floor, running, processing, handling real data. At first, it sounds like a terrible idea. Water and electronics don't mix. That's basic. But these systems aren't exposed. They're sealed inside pressure-resistant containers designed to survive deep underwater environments. No leaks, no direct contact, just a controlled system placed in a place most people never think about. So why put data centers underwater at all? Cooling. That's the real reason. Traditional data centers generate massive amounts of heat. Rows of servers running non-stop create temperatures that have to be controlled constantly. Cooling systems become a huge part of the operation. Cost, energy, and complexity. Now, imagine placing that same system in the ocean. Cold water surrounds it, naturally. No need for massive cooling infrastructure on land. The environment itself helps regulate temperature. And that changes efficiency. Less energy spent on cooling, more focused on processing. But that's just part of it. There's also location. A large percentage of the world's population lives near coastlines, which means placing data centers offshore can reduce the distance data has to travel. Faster response times, lower latency, better performance. Now think about that. Instead of building massive facilities inland, you place them closer to where people actually are. But this isn't as simple as dropping a container into the ocean. Everything has to be engineered to survive. Pressure increases with depth. Salt water is corrosive. Maintenance isn't easy when your system is underwater. So these units are designed to operate for long periods without direct human intervention. No daily access. No quick fixes. Everything has to work. Because if something fails, getting to it isn't simple. Now here's where it shifts. These systems aren't just experiments anymore. They've been tested, deployed, and proven to operate reliably for extended periods. Which raises a bigger question. If this works, why keep building data centers the old way? Because once you solve cooling and reduce distance and improve efficiency, the entire model starts to change. Data doesn't need to be centralized in massive land-based facilities anymore. It can be distributed, placed where it makes the most sense, even if that place is at the bottom of the ocean. And when infrastructure starts moving out of sight, that's when things really start to change, because the systems we rely on every day don't always live where we think they do.